In other news, SEON bills itself as the ultimate command center in the fight against financial crime, tackling fraud and money laundering with AI. They also recently announced a fresh $80 million Series C round of funding. I spoke with SEON's co-founder and CEO, Tomas Kadar, more about the raise and how his business is helping customers. Take a listen.
SEON's primary goal to help companies to do business safer online. As the world becomes more digitally connected, online fraudsters continue to find new ways to exploit digital systems for their own financial gain. Businesses are losing around $400 billion a year due to fraud. So SEON's mission is to empower businesses by enabling them to prevent fraud and be compliant without hindering their growth. Our customers are Revolut, Wise, Nubank, Tecoas, WorldCoin, for example. Fraud is affecting everyone's lives, which AI just has accelerated.
And how are these tools practically being used in companies? And are you able to provide an example around fraud prevention, for example?
Yes, of course. SEON helps businesses to protect the entire customer journey from sign-up to transactions. We do this by enriching data, including device, behavior, digital footprint, so we provide context and recommend next steps. We also provide services around anti-money laundering. Modern customers are interacting very differently in online environments compared to 10, 15, or 20 years ago. Traditional fraud detection was static and historical and had no full view of the customers. Today, online customers and consumers have a very different digital footprint and also different behavior. We understand it much better than everyone else to tell scam from reality.
And tell me about your journey at SEON. What led you to start the company?
We have started this company because of our own experience launching a crypto exchange about 8 years ago. We have faced fraudulent charges on our own skin. We have lost thousands of dollars after launching this company and accepting the fastest form of payments, which was credit card. So we've decided first to build an in-house tool to prevent this issue. And then we realized that all the different tools were too rigid or even not suitable for preventing such illicit activities. So we have decided to actually build an in-house tool and then pivoted to launch SEON as a B2B SaaS business.
And I know you just closed a Series C round of funding, and this was led by Sixth Street Growth. What does this mean for SEON, and how do you plan to use this capital?
So first of all, we would like to enrich our product capabilities. We will invest heavily in our AI defense systems. We would grow our geographic presence, expanding our Austin office 2 times of the current size in the next 12 months. We would like to also grow our premises in Europe and Asia, and as well as we will invest in strategic partnerships that matters.
All right, and you also just announced new AI tools today. Are you able to share about their capabilities and any use cases?
Yes, so preventing fraud and making sure businesses are compliant is a very tedious and time-intensive job. So our goal is to make people do their job in a much more effective way. We would like to automate the workforce, empower them, keeping human in the loops, and cut investigation time by more than 50%.
All right, and what is next for SEON?
Yeah, we feel like we have only completed a very small part of our vision. So we would like to grow the product, build out this command center further on, invest in more partnership. We have already one with AWS and one with Shopify. We would like to gear up in the next couple of years to become IPO ready and a company that lasts.